Aloha! I am Coach Nico, and in this video, we're making a green smoothie. Super delicious and super easy and fast to make. So let's get started.
The ingredients you will need for this smoothie is spinach, banana, pineapple, peanuts, chia seeds, and soy milk, or your favorite plant milk. First, add 2 cups of spinach. Next, add 2 small frozen bananas. Then add 1/2 cup of pineapple. Toss in 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Finish with 2 cups of soy milk. Now blend. While the green smoothie is blending, we're going to cut a few pieces of a starfruit as a tasty garnish. Top off the green smoothie by sprinkling in some chia seeds, and you are ready to enjoy.
Delicious. So good, so nutritious. Go out and make your own. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified the next time a Coach Nico video comes out. Wishing you a healthy, happy life. Aloha.